All right, guys. We don't come again today. Good morning to every one of you. This is Straight Thing. We're going to talk about the OBA of Benin. As you all know, a couple of days ago, OBA of Benin went all the way, putting his effort to go to Dubai to try to indoctrinate investors to come to Benin and invest in those states. OBA of Benin went on by even promising these investors that yes, he can give them up to 1,000 acres where they can invest, anything. I don't know what you think about these things, because for me, what I can see here is that, yeah, Oba Benin telling people to come invest in Benin, because a lot of people are reacting in a different way right now. Say, Oba Benin shouldn't have, done that, or it shouldn't have just go without the consent of the people, and it should have put the people together and all that, blah, blah, blah. But anyone calling anybody to come invest in your state, don't you think it's a good thing? I don't know, but I want you to listen to this video. Let's watch it together.
The Oba of Benin went to Dubai to beg for investors. Another matter. Before I say anything, watch this video first.
I have the land to provide. I have personal land. The state governor can also provide. So those that are in solar power here, please, we need to be talking as well closely. And of course, investors that will bring the money to invest in agriculture, in real estate. I have land designated for real estate already, almost 1,000 hectares. You know what 1,000 hectares is for, real estate, as in the complexes and things like that, that we have power 24/7. That's where solar power may also be helpful.
Yes, you heard that right? Instead of fixing Edo first, he traveled all the way to foreign land, talking to rich people to come and invest. But the painful question is this: did he ask us first? Did he carry the people along? Did he tell the Edo youths before going? No, we only saw the video online. How can someone represent a whole kingdom and the people of the kingdom don't even know what's going on? A man who has plenty yams don't go around begging for gari, and a man who cannot sweep his own compound should not invite guests. Why are we inviting outsiders to come feast Edo when even the roads in our villages are bad? No water, no lights, no job. Yet he went abroad acting like all is well. If you build a house and leave the inside dirty, guests will sit outside. You say you want foreign investors, but who want to invest where the people are poor, suffering, and ignored? Even if the land is rich, nobody will invest where the people are crying and the leaders are silent. A king who eats alone dies alone. The Oba promised 1,000 acres of lands like it belongs to him alone. No consultation, no public discussion, no youth involvement. He didn't speak to his people. Yet, he stood among foreigners, talking like Edo is a company and he is the CEO. Imagine using millions to travel to beg when the people you are begging for are starving. How much was spent on that trip? Flight tickets, hotels, awards, and royal accolades. And meanwhile, children in Edo are trekking miles just to fetch dirty water. Charity begins at home. Why are we going outside when our home is still broken? Who will take us seriously when our kings don't even empower their people first? If you plant on rocky ground without preparing the soil, nothing will grow. The Oba is talking about foreign investments, real estates, solar power, agriculture. But who will maintain it? The poor people he ignored, the youth he never carried along. A farmer that does not water his land should not expect harvests. If you don't empower your people, how will the land grow? All this talk of foreign investments, is it for development or for the pockets? If a father gives meat to stranger before feeding his hungry children, those children will grow up bitter. We are tired. These things they do it for show. They say investments, but where is the result? We have heard this before, many times, but nothing changes. You can't use perfume to cover the smell of rot. The land look good, but the people are in pain. Until we fix Edo from the inside, all these foreign trips are just noise. If the Oba called for Edo youths before the trip, imagine what we would have planned together. Ideas would rise. Hope would rise. We could build something real by the people and for the people. But no, we were not invited. We were not even told. So what is the truth? The Oba went to Dubai to speak about us without us, to plan our future without our voice, to offer lands like it is his personal inheritance. This is not just disappointment. It is also painful because Edo people are not blind anymore. We see, we hear, we think. This is not how true leadership works. You don't lead by leaving your people behind. As the king asks his people what they need, as he sat with the youth in Uselu, in Aushi, in Epoma, or does he only gather foreigners in Dubai with red carpets? Why not create housing projects with local boys? Why not grow cassava and rice in that same 1,000 acres of land he promised to give to foreigners in Dubai? And open food depots for our mothers? Why not fix the palace on roads before beauty dreams in Dubai? If a king built a school with 1,000 solar-powered laptops and train youths in Edo North, that is louder than any Dubai promise. That is real development.
The company is also interested in investing in it?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's what we need. I have the land to provide. I have personal land. The state governor can also provide very readily we can benefit as much as possible. Benefit all of them. So those that are in solar power here, please, we need to be talking as well closely. And of course, investors that will bring the money to invest in agriculture, in real estate. I have land designated for real estate already. Almost 1,000 hectares. You know what 1,000 hectares is for, real estate, housing complexes and things like that, that we have power 24/7. That's where solar power may also be harmful.
We are mainly doing the robots for the cleaning and also installation for the solar farm. So we are not stepping Nigeria yet. So we hope someday in the future we can cooperate with a partner here to service for the solar farm during the construction stage, improve the efficiency, and after the maintenance stage, we can improve the power generation. So Oba, bye.
Africa, the company is called NWATCH, who will be not just focusing on the feeds, but also poultry, vegetable and other producers in Africa. So they are interested to set up a base in Africa.
The company is also interested in investing in it?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. That's what we need. I have the land to provide. I have personal land. The state governor can also provide very readily we can benefit as much as possible. Benefit all of them. So those that are in solar power here, please, we need to be talking as well closely. And of course, investors that will bring the money to invest in agriculture, in real estate. I have land designated for real estate already. Almost 1,000 hectares. You know what 1,000 hectares is for, real estate, housing complexes and things like that, that we have power 24/7. That's where solar power may also be harmful, may also be helpful. To be helpful there.
Is that in his capacity as the 40th Oba of Benin City,
Benin
Kingdom, I'm sorry, he also has a passion to change the economic situation of Nigeria as a whole, in particular Edo State. So we are very grateful to His Majesty Oba Atope.
Yes, sir.
So before your Majesty's speech, I would like to present you our appreciation from our company, and this is what we have been doing, even though our company is 26 years old, but we started.
The biggest bank in the UAE.
Oh, which bank?
First Abu Dhabi Bank. That's the
Okay.
biggest bank.
That's an Islamic bank? Is
It
it
does
an,
everything, Islamic and also markets.
is an Islamic bank? First?
First
Abu
Abu
Dhabi
Dhabi
Bank.
Bank.
Okay, it's not different
It's an
bank.
international franchise, yeah.
Okay.
To keep a long story short, we are really just keen to support Edo State to drive strategic innovations through financial solutions and investments. And this will help drive sustainable development, infrastructure growth, and economic empowerment for your people.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Royal Majesty.
Volume. Volume, please.
Thank you, Your Royal Majesty. So, my name is Fayad Fayad. I belong to the kingdom. I'm here today to represent the Nigerian Arabian Gulf Chamber of Commerce, which we promote.
Tokbe?
Yes, sir.
It is a pleasure to be here. My name is Temi Labo. I'm Temi Tokbe Labo, I should say. I currently work for a digital bank, but what I actually do is helping businesses and sort of government officials navigate change. So I provide advisory services from due diligence. You've got all these lovely investors here, from making sure you have the right contracts, due diligence, and helping organizations with the transformation and the change in making sure it's sort of efficient and everything's as hunky-dunky as it should be. Thank you very much. Oba Takwe.
Yes, sir.
Royal Majesty, Ovatobe.
Yes, sir.
My name is Gopi Chandra Bhusal. I'm from Nepal. I'm 25 years in Dubai. I have the gold refinery, gold manufacturing, and IT business. And recently we opened the 3-star hotel in Bardubai. Gold refinery. And recently we opened the 3-star hotel also, Grand Ambassador Hotel in Bardubai. And what we can do in their gold business and IT business in Nigeria. One of my friend is there is a Jindal company. He investing in there in Nigeria is 2 billion. And he's the CEO is my friend.
2 billion what? Dollars or
Dollar. Already his steel factory is there in Nigeria. His CEO is my.
All right, when I just see the video, what's your take? What's your take on this Edo Light? You know, his plight, his concern, his points, and the solution. He suggested a solution as well. You know, what's your take on it? You know, I want to read comments because I would like us to extensively on our live broadcast later on at 7 p.m. to talk about this whole thing together. But I want to hear your own opinion on it. Thank you very much. This is NWATCH Media. Join us every day on our live broadcast. Like our videos, share our videos. Take care and bye for now.